Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope everybody had a great weekend, and today we're back with another tutorial, so let's roll that intro. So today we're going to be talking about Facebook and bots. I've been wanting to talk about this video for a while, ever since bots first started coming out and were becoming more mainstream. But recently Facebook just did a new announcement on the way it's changing its Facebook page newsfeed algorithm. So before, when Facebook first started, it was pretty easy to get in front of people, especially if you had a page or if you were a business. People would see you because it was still growing, so Facebook would push it out more. But as they grew, it started getting harder for businesses and pages to start getting that organic reach. So they would have to do boosted posts or create dedicated ads for certain posts. And now they're doing a whole new change. They're making it even harder for businesses and pages to get in front of people. They're now putting back an importance on your friends and family. They're going to be showing your friends and family posts more than that of businesses that you like and are already following. So it's going to be really interesting. Mark Zuckerberg did an announcement of this, and he made a Facebook post about this. I'll link it below so you guys can take a look at it. Curious to know your thoughts after you read that. So let's jump into this. So today we're going to be talking about bots, why they're so important, especially now with the whole new change of Facebook's newsfeed algorithm. So something that's been great about Facebook is Facebook Messenger. They've introduced a new way for people to interact with different companies. Maybe you've seen bots before. I've seen different bots from restaurants that I can message them on Facebook Messenger, and they would instantly tell me if there's a table open, if there's not, and I can book it right from there. So it's really good. And what's especially good about bots is its open rate. So compared to email, which has about like a 10 to 20% email open rate, Facebook Messenger open rate is 80 to 95%. That is great. That's tremendously great. So that's what I'm going to be talking about. Facebook Messenger, bots, and how you can basically build up a community through that, especially now with Facebook doing the change. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so today the bot that I'm going to be talking about is a bot called ManyChat. I've seen a few bots online, but this one has been the most interesting one. So it's simple. When you first log in and you do your whole setup, you get your dashboard. I just recently created my account, so my dashboard is still brand new. As you can see, I only have one subscriber. We're going to cover three main sections in this chat bot. One is looking at the main menu, one is looking at broadcasting, and one is looking at targeting. So first, let's start with main menu. So let's look at the main menu. And this is what the main menu consists about. It's basically somewhere where people can click a little sandwich icon, and you can see kind of like the highlighted or important links for you. So here I have Instagram and my latest video that I put online. Let's look into what this actually looks in your bot. So go right here. Here's my little sandwich icon. If I click it, I can see Instagram and latest video. So let's just click on Instagram, and it will take me, of course, outside of the page, and it'll take me right to my Instagram post. What's good about the main menu is maybe you have something you always want to highlight. Maybe you have kind of your favorite blog post. You can always have it there so people that are subscribed to your messenger bot can look at it right away. So that's main menu. You can get really creative with it, but I'm keeping mine simple. So now if we look at it, you can see how many clicks we have. One click because it hasn't gone live. So that's something good to see. You can also see the analytics of it, which is really great. So now we're going to look at another important feature, which is broadcasting, and that means basically sending out a message. This is something that's really interesting, and there's so much more towards this. So let's see if we can dig right into it. Okay, so here you have your broadcast. You have your draft, schedule, and you have your history. So I haven't created nothing, so we're going to create a new broadcast here. I want to do a broadcast. I have, a lot of people signed up to my bot, and I'm doing different videos from vlogs, tutorials, and reviews. Maybe I want to see what certain people like, so they only get that type of content. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's do this. Okay, so that's the first step. What type of content would you like to be notified about? So let's just add a button, add a button, add a button for my different ones that I have. So let's start with vlogs. Start with vlogs, go down. I have review videos, and next one is tutorial videos. Okay, cool. So now how can you go to the next step of saying, hey, if you click on vlogs, I only want to see your vlogs. Or if I click on review videos, I only want to see your review videos and not get notified about vlogs when you upload them. So that's simple. So what's really great about this now is you have different actions you can take. You can add tags. You can also subscribe them to sequences, open conversations. So if they click on it, they can start chatting with you right away, and so much more. So let's just go with, let's add a tag. So this is tutorial. So I already have a few tags. So we're gonna add a tutorial tag there. Okay, now, so when somebody clicks tutorial, I'll be sending them a message, and I'll let them know this is the message that I'll be sending them. You'll be notified about tutorial videos when they go up. So now they know, oh, okay, cool. When a new tutorial video goes up, I'll just get that notification. Maybe I'm only interested in your tutorials, and that's good. So now they've been added to that. Now I can go back here and do the rest for the other ones. So I'm just gonna speed through this. Okay, and we're done with that. So I have a new broadcast message that I'm gonna be sending out. What type of content would you like to be notified? Vlogs, review videos, or tutorials. So we can do a quick preview of that. Perfect, and it's been sent to Messenger. So if I go right here, bam, I have it right there. So what type of content would you like to be notified about? You know, maybe I want to be notified about review videos. Perfect, you'll be notified about review videos when they go up. Great, perfect. So now we have our first broadcast message. And from that, people will start clicking if they want to see vlogs, if they want to see review videos, or if they want to see tutorials. So now if you have, you know, a new review video going up, you're like, okay, perfect. I want to shoot this over to my community on my Facebook, my bot. So what you do, you start a new broadcast. Let's just say, new review video is up. Talking about Gunnar box. It was a previous video I did. Okay, so we have that. Let's just add a button. You know, you want to open a website. So now you open a website and we'll enter the URL here. Bam. And watch me. Bam. Okay, done that. So now you're asking, but how can this bot know to send it to the review? So that's where the tags come in. Here you can click on your settings and you have your targeting. So we targeted through tag. So, review video, and that's the one click that I did. This tutorial video was a test I've done before, but review video. So tag is review video, so it will go through it. If somebody has a tag that is review video, it will send this to them. So you can see right here, this broadcast will be sent to one user. Let's just send now. And perfect. Now if I click here, and it's up. New video is up, talking about Gunnar box. Watch me. And bam, it is up. Right there, easy peasy. So that part's done. Okay, so that's basically the main two things you want to know about. Firstly, when you're starting a bot, there's so much more that you should be going into, but this is like the beginner steps if you want to get, you know, your toes nice and wet in the creation of creating your very first Facebook bot. Your main menu, something that you want to have there that's always there, maybe your latest video or a blog post or a photo, a link to your website, a link to your portfolio, whatever, your latest client work you've done with, you can have whatever there so people can see it right away and click on it. Next, the important one, of course, is sending messages. So the type of messages that you'll be sending, so you do that in broadcasting, so you're broadcasting yourself to your audience. And then from there is kind of really going fine deep into the type of messages you can have. You can go even more deep into it. So I could have sent a message talking about, you know, creating a poll, like what's your favorite camera do you use? And I could have the different camera brands there. And for each camera brand, I can start asking, oh, okay, if you use Sony, what's a Sony camera? Or if you use Nikon, what Nikon camera do you use? And this is where it gets really interesting, because then you can start seeing, firstly, the community that you have, if they're mainly more Nikon users or Canon users, Sony users, or maybe they don't really like your vlogs, but they like your tutorials and your review videos. Here you can start seeing much more of it. Hey, I have all these videos. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you like? Let me know, and I'll only send you that one. Because, you know, I personally, you know, subscribe to people on YouTube as well. And a few videos, like they do vlogs and they do review videos and tutorials. I'm only there for the tutorials they do in the video and their reviews. Vlogs, not as much. So this is where it gets really interesting. So you can highly target it to people based on what they like. And then you can do even much more things, automation. So you can maybe every week somebody subscribe to your photo of the week thing. So they'll get a photo right into, and they'll get a photo right into their Facebook messaging, which is really good. This is where the tutorial video ends. If you guys found this interesting and are really curious to know more about Facebook bots and the way to use ManyChat, let me know, like comment and tell me you want to see more. I will personally create a full-blown tutorial video on how to go into even more of it. You have live chat, you have the growth tools, you have ways to reply to people and get kind of automated messages out and coming in and so forth like that. So do let me know. But anyways, I'll add all the links to the website for ManyChat and also, my bot. Try it out, subscribe to it. You can also do a few things with it and message me, and maybe I would have some automated replies, and then I can reply to a few. So that's how bots really are. And also hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share this if you guys found it interesting. Thanks for watching, everybody, and let's keep staying savvy.